Welcome to iTunes Music. My name is Olusheyalabi. My friends call me Sheyi Major. Today I'm going to teach you chord on the guitar, but we're starting with the chord of C major. First, what is chord? Chords are two or more notes played at the same time. Now we're looking at a chord with three notes, which is called a triad. Triad consists of the root, the third, and the fifth. In C major, the notes in the triad are C, E, and G. If you want to notice it on the staff, you're going to have C, E, and G. Now let's look at the chord of C major on the guitar. We have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth string. Now the first string, as you can see, is open. That is note E. And on the second string, the fret here, first fret, C, will be held. On the third string, it's open. That's note G. And on the fourth string here, the second fret will be held. That is note E. And on the fifth string, you have the third fret, which is letter C. We have open E here, but we're not going to play it now because we're going to have three E's if we play the sixth string. You can see we have doubled the C and the E. It happens like that on the guitar. Now let us see how to hold the chord. Now let's play the notes one by one. E open, C on the first fret. Make sure it is not obstructing the sound of E. And make sure that the tip of the finger is not affecting the third string, which is note G. Now let's see. Okay, G is sounding. And now go to E on the second fret of the first string. Now go to C on the third fret of the fifth string. You can see that all the notes are very clear. What I just did now is called broken chord arpeggio. Now that the notes are very clean, you can strike the notes together. And as you can see, the sixth note is not sounding. It has been deadened by the tip of the fifth finger. You can see it is not sounding because we don't want to achieve three E's on the chord. Now let's try to remove the fingers and try to put them back. At first it might be difficult to hold together, but the more you practice, the more you get better on it. I advise that you always move these two fingers together. I call them pivot fingers. Always make sure that there is space underneath your palm here so that the notes will not be affected. Remove again. Let's try to play the chord again. Now let's achieve a even rhythm. Remove. Now let's try to put again. Okay, that's the chord of C major. If you do that every day, you'll be able to hold the chord comfortably. And by doing that, you have a better grip of the chord. Practice every day, you get better on it. Next class, I'll be teaching you the chord of F major and G7. And we'll see how we can move the chords together with the C that we have learned today. Do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, iTunes Music, till I come your way again. Bye.